Hello friends, my name is Rajat Goel. I started my journey with Akash in 2019 when I enrolled for 2-year classroom course. I secured All India rank 5 in NEET UG 2021. I am very thankful to my teachers who always guided me in the right direction. I am extremely happy today for this success, and all credit goes to the Almighty God, my parents and Akash Institute. My journey with Akash has been full of learning and focused preparation. I had one of the best teachers to teach, guide and motivate me. Every concept is explained step by step to ensure complete understanding. Focus is not only on strengthening of conceptual knowledge but also on application of concepts to problems. Thanks to rigorous testing that takes place through fortnightly tests and term tests, that I was able to evaluate my preparation level and track my progress. The discussion sessions after the tests gave me an opportunity to determine my strengths and weaknesses. I worked really hard to improve on my weak areas. If I had any doubt, I approached the teachers for the same.
Microtubules जो होते हैं, they are made up of tubulin. ठीक है, अल्फा और बीटा ट्यूबुलिन प्रोटीन्स के बने होते हैं. ठीक है, इंटरमीडिएट फिलामेंट्स जो होते हैं, these are hollow filaments और ये नॉन हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स के बने होते हैं.
When the lockdown was announced, honestly, I was very frightened. I couldn't sleep wondering how will I prepare and what will happen to my classes. But thanks to Akash, the learning did not stop. Online learning at home became the new normal. It took me some time to adjust to them as it was very different experience. However, after a while, I found them very engaging. Thanks to our teachers who put so much effort in helping us understand every topic. Whenever there was a doubt, I could simply message them on phone and they replied soon. Bad internet connectivity was very common and it was sometimes frustrating when the classes were going on. There was a fix for that as well. Recorded lectures were easily available on Akash iTutor, so if I had any doubt or missed my online classes due to any other reason, I could easily watch the lectures on Akash iTutor. During the lockdown, online webinars were conducted regularly. They were so informative and motivating. In fact, I believe the lockdown allowed more focused learning. The journey to success in NEET is quite challenging. It is very normal to feel overwhelmed. Whenever I felt like giving up, motivational sessions by respected chairman sir, Mr. J.C. Chaudhary and faculty inspired me to work hard towards my dream and never give up.
डॉक्टर तब तक पेशेंट का इलाज नहीं छोड़ता जब तक आखिरी सांस उसमें बची होती है. इसलिए लास्ट डे तक जब तक आपके एग्ज़ाम हैं, ज़िंदगी में कभी गिव अप नहीं करना, लगे रहना है. और जो लगा रहेगा तो बाहर भी उसमें आएगी. जो छोड़ के भाग गया मैदान को, उसका कुछ नहीं जाना. तो यू शुड नेवर थिंक ऑफ लीविंग द थिंग्स वंस यू डिसाइड. एक बार डिसाइड कर लिया तो फिर वापसी लौटने वाला काम नहीं है. फिर आगे देखना है, पीछे नहीं देखना.
I thank Akash Institute for boosting my confidence and helping me prepare well for NEET. If today I am able to secure All India rank 5, all credit goes to my teachers at Akash. In my view, Akash truly is the best place to prepare for NEET, and I would advise all the aspiring students to trust Akash with their dream. Thank you.